Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing Philips blender. This is a Philips daily collection which mentions as 3-in-1 collection. I've been using Philips for a long time and I really like Philips brand when it comes to a mixer. So let me show you what all is in this box. Let's unbox together. The box shows it has one mixer and two grinders. So let me open it. So here's this manual. So that's it. So this is all what comes. Let me open it and see. Here's what we have. We have this mixer jar. So this is a jar and we have two small grinders. These grinders are good for grinding masala, especially you want to make curries. Something like ginger garlic paste. These are very good. I've been using Philips for almost many years and I really like Philips products. They are the best brand of mixers which work very well for me. In my opinion, they are good. And this blender is used to make juice, for example dosa batter. Then it goes very well with this blender. So this was my opinion. I'm using this one for the first. I've been using Philips for long. I suppose it should be the similar one, but this one I'm using for the first time. So when I grind, I'll be making a review and letting you know how well I like this product. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.